Hey guys, it's me, BigJack24 here. Today I'm just going to tell you guys that currently across the east coast of North America, which I do live in, well, mainly the east coast of America, as I have mentioned before, I am American, and currently there's a large blizzard going by. And yeah, I thought it would have stopped by now, but no, it's been going on since 4 p.m. well, actually, no, wait, it's been going on since 2:30 p.m., and yeah, it's still going on. I can hardly see outside my window, and yeah, it seems like if it's going to be a bit packed, but not really packed, as so far I hadn't really had a chance to see on if the snow lays on the ground or not, since I'm currently currently not able to see what's happening mainly on the window due to on how like foggy white it is, so can't really see if the snow stacking or not. So yeah, let's see that later. Anyways, so in the meantime, I would be starting to, I bet, to do a bit of prepping for other mini radar stuff. But anyways, for the meanwhile, yeah, I know that I'm still waiting for other videos and stuff from Raidermator to be released, but for the time being, I am going to be just relaxing and falling asleep, as it seems to be that the snow would always keep on coming. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.